how to fix Facebook memory settings. So if you want to fix Facebook memories settings, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right which has that search icon. Tap on that search icon and then search for memories, and here tap on the memories, and now here you will have all of your memories. So for now I don't have any memories like my new or old memories because I have just created my account, so it has been only 1 month. But if your account is like old, if your account is 2 or 3 years old or more than that, then you will have all of your memories right here. Like you can choose then and now, and then you can tap on add recent photo or add older photo, and then you can choose your recent memories or oldest memories or albums or photos with your friends, and you can choose any one of that, and then you can simply tap on next which is on the upper right, and then you can tap on add older photo, choose that, and then tap on next, and then tap on next which is on the upper right, and that's it. That's how you make your layout with your memories. And then you can simply say something about these photos, and then you can tap on post and you can post your memories. So that's it. That's how you use the highlights and then your journey, or you can also ask a question using your memories. So that's it. You can find your old or your new memories right here on your memories option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.